Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll walk you through how to add customers and suppliers inside NextGen ERP, step by step. If you're running a business, whether you're managing clients, vendors, or both, this feature will help you stay organized and save time. So if you're using NextGen ERP for the first time, or just want a quick refresher, you're in the right place. Let's jump right in. Start by logging into your NextGen ERP dashboard. From the left-hand sidebar, select either customers or suppliers, depending on who you're adding. Then, click on the Add New button. This will open the entry form where you can fill out their details. Let's go through each field so you know exactly what to enter. Full name required. This is the complete name of the customer or supplier. It's a required field, so make sure it's accurate. Code. This is usually auto-generated by the system. Type. Choose between customer or supplier. This selection is important because it affects how the system handles their transactions and how they show up in reports. Address and zip code. Enter their full address, including postal zip code. These details are important for generating invoices, managing shipments, and calculating taxes when needed. Email and phone number. Add a valid email address and contact number. These are used for sending invoices, notifications, or reaching out if needed. Currency. Select their default currency, for example, USD. Name and password optional. If you'd like to give this customer or supplier access to your portal, you can set up a username and password here. There's also a button to auto-generate a secure password, which saves time and adds a layer of security. Send welcome email optional. Once you've filled in all the necessary fields, scroll down and click the Save button. That's it. Your customer or supplier is now added to the system. They'll now appear in your contact list, and you can start managing transactions, invoices, pay invoices, balances, all from one place efficiently and with full visibility. Keeping your customer and supplier data up to date ensures better reporting, faster invoicing, smoother communication, and overall more control over your business operations. And with NextGen ERP, it only takes a few clicks. And that's how easy it is to manage customers and suppliers in NextGen ERP. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Got a question or need help with a specific feature? Drop a comment below. I'm happy to help out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.